Hello friends, I am Nilesh Gaikwad. Explain the structure of prokaryotic chromosome. As we know that in universe two type of cell, one is eukaryotic cell and another one is the prokaryotic cell. In eukaryotic well organized nucleus present, but in prokaryotic cell does not present well organized nucleus. First, we study the what is prokaryotic. Pro means before nucleus or primitive. Karyotic means nucleus. The cell has consist of genetic material dispersed in cytoplasm or scattered in a cytoplasm known as a nucleid. Whatever the genetic material, such genetic material suspended or scattered in a cytoplasm, and such genetic material consists of only one set of genes known as a monoploids, and such genetic material scattered in a cytoplasm, but they are present in very supercoiling structure, hence known as a nucleids. And for study of prokaryotic chromosome, we need a one model organism. We first study the E. coli as a model organism for understanding a typical bacterial chromosome. In E. coli, cell measure about 1 micrometer in diameter and 3 micrometer in length. Suppose we isolate circular double-stranded DNA from Escherichia coli and cut at the one end, and we measure the length of entire circular double-stranded DNA. The length approximately maybe the 1300 micrometer in length. The question is arise this length 1300 micrometer in length double-stranded DNA, how does pack in a small cell which have diameter 1 micrometer and 3 micrometer length? The answer is that whatever the genetic material or DNA present in a cytoplasm, they are highly supercoiled in structure. And for this study, we first isolate the DNA from E. coli. When E. coli DNA is isolated by a technique that avoid both DNA breakage and protein denaturation, it observed under microscope reveal one level of organization of nucleid, and DNA is negatively supercoiled, and that organization is the double stranded circular DNA present in circular form. They again coil, again such coiling form a loops, and such loop again form a super coil structure. But question is arise when we coil and loop formation or supercoiling formation, these double-stranded DNA reopen, and for wrapping such a supercoiling structure of DNA with the help of RNA molecules, some RNAs and some histone-like protein which are present in eukaryotic cell. The DNA wrap around the histone protein. Such histone-like protein again present in a prokaryotic cell which wrap the DNA molecule and which stabilize the supercoil structure of prokaryotic chromosome. The supercoil structure stabilized by A2 protein, histone-like protein, a small basic charge, positively charged protein. Why positively? Because DNA has negatively charged. Such it binds DNA non-specifically by wrapping of DNA around the protein, and the protein may be the HNS or protein H1 or IHF protein, P protein, F1S protein. These protein present in prokaryotic chromosome. Histone-like protein bind on DNA non-specifically, and these protein are used for packaging of DNA into nucleide and stabilize the supercoiling of chromosome. Compaction of E. coli DNA is mainly due to the supercoiling. The supercoiling DNA is arranged in a series of loops or domain, and these loops are about 50 to 100 kb base pair in size. 1 kb is equal to 1000 base pair, and one loop consists of 50 to the 100 kb base pair. Loop how the function ensure that each loop's autonomy with respect to degree of supercoiling. And another one is the expression. The question is arise the supercoil structure. This is the supercoil structure. This when expression of genes for expression or replication, DNA need to the double stranded in structure or single stranded structure, and such expression of different gene because supercoiling determine the accessibility of different gene and their promoter to transcription machinery by maintaining different degree of supercoiling of each loop. And such supercoiling loop are used that much portion express whenever cell need a particular kind of gene or particular type of proteins. This is the E. coli chromosome. When we circular chromosome, when DNA, double stranded DNA of Escherichia coli, when form a circular loop, they require the length of that E. coli chromosome is 350 micrometer, and when they are folded or formation of loop, the length is 30 micrometer. And when we again supercoil that structure, that folded chromosome again coiling to reduce the size up to the 2 micrometer, and the structure known as a supercoil structure. And such supercoil structure analyzed by when we use the RNase enzyme, partial RNase digestion. This is the open loop which cleaves the RNA, and such RNA protein, here the presence of HU protein, histone-like protein, and a RNase molecule which stabilize the supercoil structure. When we use the DNase digestion, we form a such loop structure, uncoiled DNA, partially uncoiled chromosome, and such partially uncoiled are used for a specific expression of specific gene or specific protein. In this way, the prokaryotic chromosomes are structure present in a nucleids. Thank you for listening the presentation.